Mushroom goes really well with pasta, especially if you have one of the most aromatic and tasteful mushrooms in your cooking arsenal. Hello everyone, I'm Marcus from Culinarisch. Among my hobbies, foraging mushrooms is my favorite. From the start of the summer to the end of the fall, you can forage different types of wild mushrooms you can't find in stores, and they are by far much more tasteful. Black-trumpet mushroom, also known as horn of plenty, is a thin-fleshed dark mushroom with an earthy and sweet smell that gives the umami taste of mushroom to your meal. You only may find them dry in market, which is almost expensive, like 15 bucks for 100 grams. Black-trumpet is a member of the chanterelle family, which I have already made a risotto with the yellow version in the summer. See the card or description. As the name tells, it has a funnel shape, so to clean them you have to open them to pull out any debris or even sometimes insects, which is really unlikely for that specific mushroom. But like I said in my other videos, you don't have to wash mushrooms. You would kill the taste and texture. This weighs about 400 grams. Bring a pot of water with a handful of salt to a boil for cooking the pasta. Meanwhile, I dice an onion. Chop a chili fine. Puree 2 cloves of garlic. To do that you have to crush the clove with the back side of the knife. Then add a pinch of salt to it and mash it with the side of the blade. I also cut 3 scallions. Use both the green and the white part for the most flavor. And like always, Parmesan is the key to a creamy pasta. I grate almost 50 gram Parmesan for 300 gram pasta. Separate the seed of 2 tomatoes and cut the flesh in stripes. Chop a handful of parsley. You also can use rosemary. Add 3 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil to the pan and stir fry the mushroom. When it is reduced, add chopped onion, chili and garlic and mix. In the meantime, cook the pasta. I suggest use penne or tortiglione for the sauce. Add 400 ml heavy cream to it. When the pasta is al dente, take it out using a spider ladle and add it to the sauce. In this way you will add a little bit of that good starchy pasta water, which takes your pasta to the next level. Let them simmer together for 1 minute and then add the tomato, scallion and parsley to it. A minute before taking it from the heat, add the Parmesan for the final touch. Everything together forms a thin, creamy sauce, and it smells wonderful. This mushroom gives such a depth to the pasta taste, kind of umami and earthy flavor. Texture-wise, this mushroom is by far the best. If you need more information about foraging this delicious mushroom, drop your question in the comment section. And if you liked the video, give me a thumb up and subscribe. Thanks for watching.